Hi everybody, I wanted to make this test video. I don't know how the audio is going to sound, but here we go. This is about order of operations, and we can see here that the acronym PEMDAS stands for the order of operations and what you do in such order. First you would do parentheses, and then exponents, and then multiplying and dividing. But of course there's a special note here that needs to be pointed out for multiplying and dividing, that it is left, sorry about that, to right. And that is the same with addition and subtraction as well. That's also left to right. So I wanted to demonstrate this with these two examples and then show you a much more difficult one. If you do this, as a lot of people mistakenly do with just following this, they will say, oh, well, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So my dear means you multiply before you divide, and that is incorrect. You do this left to right. So 8 divided by 4 would be 2. Times 3 would equal 6. And if you do it the other way, you would get 8 divided by 4 times 3. Let's just set this up. If you multiplied first, you would get 8 divided by 12, which is 8/12. And that is certainly not 6. So this is the correct way to do it. And the same way with adding and subtracting. You do this left to right when this happens. 8 minus 6 is 2, plus 4 is 6. If you do it out of order, that's the whole point of the order of operations, is to do math in order. 8 minus 10, this is of course incorrect. This would be -2, and that's wrong, as is this. This is wrong. So you do this left to right whenever you see this. Now that's my easy example. Let me fade that off and put this one back up. Now let me show you this one because it's got a little bit of everything in it. It's got 2 sets of parentheses, so you need to basically resolve what's inside these parentheses first. Let me just undo that. There we go. So what you're going to do here are these exponents, like it's its own separate problem in here. I know I'm doing this quickly, and that's so you can watch this later. So 3 squared, or 3 to the second, is 3 times 3. That's 9. Minus 2 times 2 is 4. And again, I'm going at this fast. This isn't an instructional video. This is more of a demo. Inside this parenthesis, you'll notice how I set that up there. 10 divided by 5 would be 2. The next thing you would do is continue on with what's inside parentheses. Now over here there's nothing to do inside that parenthesis, but over here 9 minus 4, so that's 2, and that would be 5. 9 minus 4. I'll just recopy the rest of this. It's important to recopy to show each step as you go. Next would be this exponent here, so I'm going to recopy that. 2 to the third is 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. A lot of people will put 6 there. That's a common mistake. Do not do that. 2 times 5 is 10. When you see a number beside a parenthesis right there, there's like a little times sign there. And 4 times 8 is 32. So 10 plus 32, 10 plus 32, that's 42. Final answer. And thanks for watching.